Since 1999, made with premium rice, pure water, and traditional iron kettle care, we create deep and authentic flavors. The honest taste of tradition, the beginning of Korean snacks. A clean manufacturing process using only essential ingredients. A wellness-focused system where traditional heating meets automation. Baked, not fried, for a healthier approach. Plant-based, vegan-oriented grain snacks. OEM and ODM-based production solutions. Continuous research for better taste. Nurungji, clean, savory, and crisp. Nurungji chips, thin and light crunch. Gongjong, gently crisp. Crispy bites, light, crunchy bites. A traditional snack filled with nature. The deep taste of Korean grain snacks. Very good food. Bringing tradition to your modern table.